going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Audi RS6 Avant. This vehicle is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Got Simone in today's video with me again.
We're back.
We went for a ride in the Escalade V the other day. That was a good video. So we're gonna do a two-person test drive on this Avant. So I've always loved the RS6 Avant. I'm a sucker for performance wagons like the M5 wagon, RS6 Avant, E63 AMG, etc. So I love this car. I've never driven one before, so I'm really excited to drive it today. You have a caramel interior on this one. I really like the RS6 seats. You also have 2 sunroofs in this car. You have a carbon fiber interior trim. It's dry carbon fiber. Put the vehicle in reverse. You have a 360 view camera as well as a 3D view. Pretty standard Audi gauge cluster and everything. You have heated seats, ventilated seats. What do you think of the car, Simone?
I like it. I mean, it's actually a car I've been wanting to get in for a while. As you've mentioned, these wagons look so nice.
Yeah.
Build quality looks really good. Engine power, sound, phenomenal. So I'm very excited to sit in with this one and check it out real quick.
Yeah. And then like over here, the center console is kind of small, but you know, you have a wireless charging tray in there. So that's good. And then, yeah, let's walk around the car and then we'll go for a drive. So it's like a rev limiter. You also have a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Gray exterior. This one has the black optics package, which is a must on this car in my opinion. And the black optics package will give you these awesome V-spoke wheels, giant RS6 brake calipers. You also have drilled rotors. Looks like this has laser light technology, similar to BMW's. RS6 badge on the front, blacked out grille with the black optics. Looks amazing. Such a beautiful car. I really, really love the RS6 Avant. I'm not an Audi guy at all, but I really love this car. And here are your rear seats. You also have rear sunshades. The wheels look so good. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. You also have dual outlet exhaust. The RS models, like the RS7 II, will give you like the circle exhaust, like the regular S6, S7, etc. will give you like quad outlet exhaust. So you know you're looking at an RS if you have 2 giant oval exhaust tips. Cold day today. Here's the trunk. You got a lot of space back here as it is a hatchback, so very nice. But now all we have left to do is drive it. All right. The steering in these Audi performance cars are really good. Like very responsive steering, and it's very precise, so that's good. Like this is one of the best looking cars on the road in my opinion. Like I wish the United States got more wagons. It's a shame that we don't have many wagons. Like the M3 wagon, I wish it was sold here.
You never see this car around anywhere. I think I've only seen 2.
Yeah, very uncommon. Over the years, I've probably seen 5 or less on the road.
Wow.
Nice.
Handling is crazy.
Yeah, acceleration is really good too, as expected. Has a lot of torque. Lots of torque in this car, that's for sure. that harsh gear shift. Now we're in the RS mode, it looks like. The gauge cluster looks really aggressive in the RS mode. This is really similar to BMW's M mode. Like in my M3, when I hit the M mode button, the gauge cluster looks really similar to this, and the head-up display tachometer looks really similar to that too. It's basically a very focused gauge cluster setting. But yeah, I'm impressed with even with this, in the very sporty setting, the car still feels very comfortable. That's the cool part.
Seats too.
Yeah, seats are comfortable for sure.
I love the seats in this car.
And I like how you can just cruise in this thing. Like, even in the sport mode, it's impressive how, you know, smooth it feels and non-bumpy it feels. And I really like the aggressive and harsh gear shifts. Like, it's a very fast shifting transmission. That's insane. I did think the exhaust would be louder.
I was thinking the same thing whenever we first took off.
Yeah, it's a little bit muted. I do wish it was louder stock, but I'm sure there's a lot of aftermarket exhaust and things that you can put on this car to make it sound like crazy. Man, I love that steering. Look at that.
I bought up steering wheel design, which is really nice too.
This seems like an amazing daily driver.
Yeah.
It's so comfortable. Like, you can do everything with this car. It's practical, it looks amazing. You could just cruise on the road. Like I wouldn't be tired after driving this for like 3 hours.
No.
Because it's just so smooth. And the seats are just so nice.
Yeah, honestly, I think I'm more impressed by the handling of the car. loves the design more than I am sound-wise. Unless, like you said, I think it would have been louder when I first saw the car.
Yeah.
But it literally feels like you are just cutting through water. Like it's so smooth.
That's the great way to put it. It just, you can just cut through traffic. Like, it's just so precise that you make a single move with the steering. Like, look how fast it responds just by looking like that. It's amazing. But yeah, I am very impressed with the driving dynamics of the car overall. Feels very well engineered. And you know, every once in a while you can just drop some gears, do that. But it really is a great car, but from Audi. Like, I mean, as I mentioned, I'm a BMW guy, as you all know, but I would take this over an M5 wagon because I just like the way the RS6 Avant looks way better than the M5 wagon. It handles better than the M5. Because, like, typically, like, these wagons are just like giant boats, but this car is not a boat.
Yeah.
This is like a true, you know, business, has a really business vibe, business class vibe to it. It's like a business jet. We've now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine. So that wraps up today's video on this RS6 Avant. Really fun vehicle, absolute blast to drive, and definitely met my expectations for sure. It is awesome. If you're interested in this RS6 Avant, it is available at Grubb's Volvo, so be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Volvo and Grubb's family dealerships in the description below. And thanks as always for watching Groove Drive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We're close to 10,000 subscribers, so let's get there as soon as we can. I will see you all in the next video.